the top of the show. It goes until 5 o'clock and includes areas along and west of Interstate 25. Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Trinidad, back to Canyon City, Woodland Park, Walsenburg, La Veta, we're all included in that. Even Westcliff is in this.
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to logfurnitureHowTo.com. I'm out there at the mill cutting up a cherry tree that came in a couple of weeks ago after a big windstorm we had here. I got to get my come along, then we'll head out there and I'll show you what I'm working on.
45 to 55 mile per hour winds and gusts going up toward 80 miles per hour.
80 mile an hour gusts, guys. You heard it. That's dangerous winds, man. Let's get out here and see what we can do to batten down the hatches. Grab that. All right. I think that's all I need. Let's go. I've just gotten a call from my wife. I'm back at the house. Check this out. Whole fence is blown over. Skylights flapping in the wind up there. Oh, this fence is down over here too. Oh, look, the tree right there is broken. The ladder to get up here and see if we can't fix this skylight. Yeah, I can get up there and nail it down probably. So you know the landlord's gonna come and stuff and then trees are wrecked. I'm actually a little nervous about this tree right here, guys. It's been dead for quite a few years. It's not doing any better. Alright guys, there's not much more I can do here right now. This is crazy wind. We'll get back to work though and get over here and clean this up later. Alright guys, I just pulled over to the shop. I was gonna go in and we got a big tree down right here in the gateway, driveway going to the shop. Looks like I'm gonna have to go in there and get my chainsaw before I can get down the drive. So a few weeks back, we had a big windstorm here in town and the phone started ringing. We've been milling several trees that have come in. We've got a cherry tree over here that we've been cutting. We've already cut the main trunk. We've got it stacked. I've got the top section of it over here on the mill. You can see it's all crooked. See where the limbs have been cut off of it. It was pruned for many years. When we brought it in here, it was on the forklift and we were running out of room. And so we just got it up here on the deck. It was too far towards the back. We want to move it that way. So we're going to set up right now with the come along and just winch it towards the front. Guys, I think we're going to cut this one to make benches out of. Just for safety's sake, I'm going to raise that bar to keep it from rolling off this side right here. We want to get it level so we can take one slab out of the middle of it and use the top and the bottom for benches and chairs. Looking right across the top, making an average all the way down that log. a big hump right there in the middle, but we're looking right here. So I'm seeing 17 and a half there. So it's center point. It's gonna be about 9, 8 and a half or 9. Let's see where that hits here. Okay, so I'm looking to get a nice 2-inch slab right out of the center of that, and then we're gonna keep the top and the bottom for some furniture. Do it. Looking to make sure it's gonna fit, guys. It's tight. See it? Go ahead and get it started. I'm cutting with my chainsaw if I have to. Let's do it. Fill it with some epoxy. Tight. We'll line this one up here. Boom. That's locked in and ready to go. We'll take that slab cut right out of the middle. 3 1/8 inch slab right there. That leaves us plenty for our top cut and bottom cut for benching. We gotta cut it, guys, right there. Whole colony of carpenter ants here, guys. They had gotten all in the core of this thing, but honestly, that's going to be beautiful wood. Alright guys, so it's just as easy as that. That's how we cut a cherry tree. Come on back next time, man, and we'll start working on this and turn it into some furniture. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. See you next time. What's going on in there? All right, guys. Now I gotta mill some mantles. We'll see you next week. Alright guys, let's go check this out. You can see all sorts of debris blowing here. It goes down. Look, leaning up against my trailer. Might be kind of dangerous out here right now, guys. What else is broken? safe out here right now. Oh man. All the plywood's blown off my mantle. What a mess out here, guys. Just excited a little bit right now. It's a crazy morning. Huh? I think I didn't have my canopy up. It's been long gone. Alright, so I think I'll spend the rest of the day finishing up this nice dining room table we've got here. We'll have to come back and watch the full video of that. See ya.